What's the meaning of Council of War? Council of War. Council of War.
Council of War. Council of War. A council of war is a meeting of military commanders to discuss strategies and tactics for an upcoming battle or campaign. It typically involves the planning and coordination of troops, weapons, and other resources in order to achieve victory over an enemy force. The result of a council of war can vary depending on the situation, but the ultimate goal is to devise a plan that maximizes the chances of success while minimizing casualties. Effective communication and cooperation among all commanders is crucial to the success of any council of war.